Hey YouTube, 2002 Dodge Ram truck, 5.9. The complaint is it's not starting, or it's not starting sometimes. Okay, so we're looking at the running engine right now, and I'm looking at the number of pulses on the crank and the cam sensor, and they show to be okay. The engine is running and synchronization is okay. All right, now I'm going to shut it off and I'm going to try it again and see why it wouldn't start if it wouldn't. No, it started this time. Okay, subscribe.